Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the world's fastest 9-channel home theater installation. Today we're going to be showing you how fast we can install these custom installer series and designer series speakers from Klipsch. Let's get it going, guys. Boom, boom, boom. 2 critical buses, 79. That's right. Come on, come on, come on. Alright, so you get a little timer. You get a little timer. Alright, start there. Let's do it. What, you doing ceiling? On these sides. Let's go. Call back.
Get set and go.
Give us a sub, give us a like for that one. Check out the rest of our channel. We've got some cool vlog stuff on there. We got how-tos and a bunch of other crazy cool content coming out. We'll see you on the next one.
Nice.
That was good.
15 seconds.
They said it couldn't be done, but we got it done.
That's under
Look at
15
this.
seconds of speaker.
Under 15 seconds of speaker, everything is perfectly secured, perfectly installed. Look at this. All done. All we got to do is just clean up the walls here and throw the grills on. Boom. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. High five. High five. Boom. Woo! Yeah, that is definitely. Anybody.
That's 13.
This is a call out. Who can beat us? Who can beat us? Let me see the video. 9 speakers. You can prep them. You can have them cut out. You can prep your wires. Let's see how fast you can get 9 in-wall speakers in the wall.
Dude, hey,
Do it.
top it off. We're gonna have a speaker check in a second. So we did not check anything yet. We're gonna find all the speakers and make sure everything is hooked up properly.
Yeah.
We need that one too.
Do it, guys. Do it. Woo! All right, guys. We got all the grills put on. Boom, 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 boom. Only takes a couple of seconds. We're doing acoustically transparent screen here. Now, Derek's gonna go, or Mercedes gonna blip them. Let's do it.
Let's go. Yeah, go ahead.
This is part of it, guys. If you're gonna challenge us, it has to work.
What is that?
Center.
Center, 1. Surround left, 2. Presence left, 3. Right, 4. We got 4, come on.
Here we go.
Front left, 5. We got 5. One more, guys, 1 more. Presence right, 6. 3 more. Back right, 7.
Come on. Come on.
2 more.
She got this. She got this. Boom.
Left, 8.
Back left.
Left, so around, left.
Boom. There it is. 9, guys. Surround right. That is 9 channels. Perfectly installed. Perfectly level. Ready to rock and roll. We did this in under 2 minutes, guys. Just saying. Let's see it. For those of you who are skeptical, dead level. Dead level. Exactly.
contact.
Back right.
Let's see, is that one off a little bit? That's pretty darn close right there.
Front left.